Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ariba Aziz. I'm your biology teacher. Here I am back with the second part of the unit number 5 topic, cell cycle animation. Here we will watch the animation of cell cycle, about the video of cell cycle. Okay students, so before going to start our video, here is the definition of cell cycle. As we already know about the definition of cell cycle is a series of events from the time a cell is produced until incomplete mitosis and produce new cell. Okay, so these are the series of the events scientists have identified are repeating cycle of events in the life of a cell. This cycle of events is called the cell cycle. So cell cycle, as you know that as we discussed in the part 1 of this video, cell cycle contain two main phases, interphase and mitotic phase. And mitotic phase is further divided into the three phase, G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. Okay, so here is an animated video about the cell cycle. Okay student, let's start this video.
Every day our bodies must produce millions of skin cells to replace those lost through normal activity. Each of these cells must have a complete complement of the genetic material. Prior to cell division, where the cell divides into two identical cells, the DNA needs to be replicated so that each daughter cell receives an exact copy. Following DNA replication, the chromosomes condense in the nucleus of the cell. DNA condenses by wrapping around cores of histone proteins, forming nucleosomes. This beads on a string structure is called chromatin. As a cell prepares to divide, chromatin coils up further, shortening and condensing the chromosome. The replicated chromosomes are called sister chromatids. The replication of DNA and the formation of sister chromatids is one part of the entire cell cycle. To prepare for cell division, the cell goes through interphase, which can be divided into three distinct phases. During G1 or gap1 phase, all the organelles and cytoplasmic components, including the centrioles in animal cells, replicate. Then during S or synthesis phase, the DNA replicates. Finally, during G2 or gap2 phase, all the enzymes needed to aid in the process of cell division are produced. Most eukaryotic cells spend a great deal of time in interphase, and a very short period of time actually dividing, a process called mitosis.
Okay student, this is about the video of the cell cycle. I hope now the process of cell cycle becomes clear. So here is an home assignment is that learn the complete topic of cell cycle. Also draw the diagram of cell cycle twice on your notebook. I hope the concepts become clear. Okay student, stay safe and healthy. Allah Hafiz.